right over here, the fifth post which you are doing is how to get your song viral on TikTok. That is something which you have said. Here are the steps. Choose a catchy song, create hashtag, make a sort of meaning, influencers are the key. Have you done this thing for any client or yourself?
No.
Then how can you be sure about this? This is something like you are reading from somewhere and then you are posting something over here. You getting the point?
Okay.
I never said anything about TikTok. I didn't do any podcast episode unless I got verified. I posted 270 plus videos. Right?
Correct.
So,
but I am also on TikTok. I am active. I put this same videos I put up there.
So you are not taking additional effort for TikTok then?
Initially, I have just started it.
That's where, exactly. You have just started. This is something which I wanted to hear from you, buddy. Alright? From the bottom of my heart, now it will come as an advice, not by Digital Pratik, from an elder brother who wants the younger brother to just focus on something wherein he is just getting started. Why to worry about how I'll be unique? Why to worry about how I'll be distributing everywhere? Why to worry about how I'll be selling on Instagram when you don't even know what it is?
Okay.
Right? Like this is something wherein you are right now entering a college, first semester it is, and before even appearing for the first external exam of first semester, you are trying to crack an internship of 8th semester.
Okay.
Understanding? I'm trying to relate concepts with real-time examples with digital marketing, where digital marketing के अंदर बहुत सारा है. Alright, जैसे engineering के अंदर बहुत सारा है, वैसे digital marketing के अंदर बहुत सारे field है, जहाँ से एक Instagram एक चीज़ है, TikTok एक चीज़ है. Right? So without focusing on these three things, as I mentioned, there is only one thing. You have to put out consistent content. If you don't have money, that's the reason why I told you organic. If you have money, run ads. Learn Instagram ads, Facebook ads, which is detailed, which is like master's degree when you are just getting started in the college. Getting the point?
Yes, yes.
That is what I want you to do. Create content first. 90 days तक खुद तो पहले consistent बन जाओ. Because see, what you are saying is right over here. Let's say कोई भी consistency के या कुछ भी आप लिख रहे हो यहाँ पर, how thinking differently is the most valuable ability you can have on internet, then it makes you stand out from the herd and let you show your true potential. But have you, like, are you able to do it for yourself first? Are you able to stand out from the crowd?
This I have to do. Yes.
Exactly. So
in Medium, I have been able to be very, got good response because of my, somewhat uniqueness. Somewhat. I don't say
exactly.
Uniqueness.
Exactly. Once again, somewhat uniqueness. So now that is the point where Gary Vee says document versus create, where I say learn, apply, and then share. What you did with TikTok and Instagram and these kind of motivational stuff is just learn and then share. Learn and then share. Rather, what you should be doing right now is, because you got somewhat success and uniqueness, maybe whatever you think on Medium, you should be sharing that part. Why? Because you have applied something.
Okay.
So you create posts over here, you share videos over here, you record videos, and you say, hey guys, so I have 20 unique posts on medium.com, which is on this username. And I have found this pattern which is unique and people are reacting to that. So I guess I should be creating more of Medium posts. Do let me know, what do you want me to create on the next title? Comment below.
Good.
All right. This is what is actual meaning of document versus create, or learn, apply, and then share.